wake up to you in the morning. You tell me how you're feeling. Seem like your body don't know how to hold you. So maybe I can instead. You got so many battles you don't need to fight. Feel it with you every time it isn't feeling right. I wish I could take your pain. You're dealing with some things I've never seen in life. You hurt them but it don't show on the outside. They repeat it every day.